that Google is featured a new extension in Google Scholar feature. Here the Google Scholar is a new extension for the opening a PDF in a extension manner. For this PDF is opened in readable manage in any organization in anywhere like ResearchGateNet and NIHA.gov, MDAPI and or IEEE extension. For example, we are opening this PDF in IEEE organization. Just click on this. Now it's opening. Now this paper is access to readable format in this Google Scholar readable extension format. So here the abstract and all the contents are mentioned in. Just click on this mentions of the paper of the authors and their affiliations. Just it can be showable this other authors and who are the affiliations like that, and they are present to abstract that. Click on this abstract. Now it's a readable format for all the papers like introduction or any kind of thing. It will be methodology or applications of GANs or the datasets evaluations and the description and description and exploring popular GAN variants and the results and all the challenges and the future direction and the challenges and the conclusions all are mentioned here. Here suppose we are clicking this figures or tables, just click on this figure number 10. Just it can be turns to its figure number 10, the framework of reinforcement learning. Like next just click on the table. Here the tables are mentioned. Now clicking here figure 9, just it can be through to it can be direct the link with the URL to this optimization process of asynchronous DGAN. And here mentions some table number 14. Just click in this table number 14. It can be redirect to the table number 14. This extension was very useful. Here the Google Scholar library, here the cited by and related articles and the versions, and here to save your papers or in this libraries, and here to click to download this paper easily without any cost paying. And it is the format to print. Just you want to need change to light mode or dark mode or any dark mode or night mode. It can be change your device your effects of the your light what you want the modes. When you click this document properties, the file name and the file size and the title and the others subjects are total detail of the file. It can be displayed here. So it is very useful extension for new researchers and beginning researchers to access this file to easily readable format, and you can change or it in any manner. Now how to add that Chrome extension for this Google PDF reader? Just click on this Google customization and control Google Chrome. Just click on this and click this extension and visit that Chrome web store. If already you have add this extension, just watch it. If you have not installed, you can add click to search Google Scholar PDF reader. Yes, this is the extension of this Google. Already I have add this extension. If you have not added, just add just click this add from the Chrome. It can be added or installed. It can be displayed here. After complete this process, you can go to the Google Scholar. Click here Google Scholar and open the Google Scholar. Just search medical image generation reviews for using GANs. Here this PDF sites are visible here. You can access first ResearchGateNet of this paper. It can be redirect this Google PDF reader and access all to easily and download it easily for a new extension feature like this. It is very useful for the researchers and PDF readers. It can be very cost effective. It's a free extension for this. Google is newly updated for this extension. If any case it cannot open this Google Scholar, you can go to this same Google customization panel and go to here website. Just click on this extension and manage extension. If you are added some another Google PDF reader, just remove it and add this Google Scholar PDF. If you are had any PDFs or any papers, you can access it in this Google PDF reader. Just allow the access files to this URL. Just click on this and you can go through your paper and just click on to open here. It can be turned to Google PDF reader. In our document files also you can read. Just it is very useful for research paper. Do not worry, and easily to add this extension for research future research, and thank you.